Before this video starts, I want to mention at the inserted time on the screen, you will have to turn on subtitles or read in the description to know what is being said. Now, on with the video. Godzilla on Monster Island, Episode 4, Repairing and Replaning. Hello? Oh. Yes, Commander. What happened? What? Okay. We lost Megalon. We didn't know what was gonna happen. Okay. The mechs are very damaged right now. Ow, my ears. I'm sorry. There was kind of a complication came up. Gigan. Yes, Gigan is back, and they have them under control. And he kind of wrecked us, to put it bluntly, as he kind of, like, I don't know, it's kind of big. Mothra lost its arm, okay? That's how dangerous this was. We're lucky that our crew survived it. Okay, yes, there's a bit more. Gigan also wrecked Kamanga, but Haley says that it would hopefully recover. And Battra also lost his wing in the fight. Yes, well, Mothra's helping fixing him up. Is helping recocoon him so he can grow back his wing. See? Yeah, I say sorry, sir. Sir. No one saw that coming. Okay? We had no clue what was gonna happen. Please, just listen to me, Commander. Look, it's not that easy to be prepared for everything. I'm sorry. Huh? He hanged up on me. Here, have your walkie-talkie back. Thank you. Thank you, Captain. So I could tell without having to hear the other side of the conversation that the commander isn't too pleased with our performance. Yeah, he isn't. Apparently having sudden and sneak attacks twice in a day isn't very pleasing to him. Especially with us not doing the best. Not coming out completely on top, even though we didn't know what was happening, and Gigan. So two very important parts of the puzzle. Yeah. Hopefully General Tataka will understand. Hopefully he will. You probably will. Yeah. Hey there, Haley. How's the repairs going? Oh. Hey Maverick, how are your repairs going? Oh. That's not good. Yeah, the commander just called. He's not very pleased with our performance. Yes, we know. I guess we're just gonna have to try to step it up next time. How's the repairs going? Not very good, they said. Well, Tell them when they get the chance. We gotta meet up and make a new strategy. Maverick, Dwight here. Yeah, are you there too? Okay, good. Next chance you guys get, come over here. We gotta start planning. And then captain's orders. Alright, they'll be here as soon as they can. Alright. Let's hope we can figure out something. Meanwhile, in space. Meanwhile, okay. Still thinking about stuff. Huh? Maverick, Hallie, didn't expect you to come this soon. Yeah, well, I don't know about Hallie, but Haley, I don't know if I can fix MechaGodzilla myself. Well, I don't think, yeah, I don't think I can fix one. I have a hard time with Mothra. He doesn't even have his drill arm anymore. He only has one. The other one is wrecked. So he wrecked. Yeah, but that is kind of a big problem. So, Captain, what is your new strategy? I'm not entirely for sure yet. What? Well, I just know we have to prepare more than we ever have before. Yeah. You guys have to do more training simulations, more studying, more everything. All right. What about you? Too. I don't think we're gonna be slacking out either. I'm gonna be training. I'm gonna be researching monster strategies for the past, like the past 40 some years. Along with Dwight. We're gonna be finding out every method the military's ever used to stop these things and figure out the best strategies for these aliens. Okay. Alright. This is gonna be a team effort now, so is everyone ready for this rigorous thing we've done? I'm in. I'm in too. You knew I was gonna be in since the start. Alright, team. Move out! Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop. Let's hopefully this nothing too terrible is gonna happen. Don't say that! Bad stuff can happen if you say that. I don't know why I said that. Okay. Oh, come on, let's just go. Alright. What do the evil aliens have in store for our heroes? What do the heroes have in store for the aliens? Find out next time on Godzilla on Monster Island. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, favorite, and share. Peace, frogmates.